Anyway, give us more comments. We'd like to answer more comments.
Yes.
And any suggestion ng mga topics.
Yeah.
Bigyan nyo kami ng maraming suggestion ng topics na i-discuss namin. About marriage, about relationship, about couples. Bigyan nyo kami ng maraming comments and maraming mga suggestions ng topics. Mamimili kami ng magagandang topics na ibibigay nyo. So sana, bigyan nyo kami ng maraming topics.
Yeah, and ako personally, I would like to apologize kasi madami din talagang nagko-comment, nag-a-ask. So we can't cater everyone.
Minsan naman, masyadong personal yung mga ina-ask nila. Na-appreciate natin kasi syempre, alam mo yung feeling na naiisip nyo kaming lapitan para tanungin sa mga ganong bagay. It means a lot to us kasi para sa akin, ang feeling ko, pinagkakatiwalaan nyo kami to know about those personal things.
Yes,
diba personal accounts yun eh?
Correct.
So, as much as we'd like to answer it, medyo personal, siguro one-on-one consultation.
May nagtatanong nga, ako nagme-marriage counseling din
Sana
tayo.
eventually magkaroon kami ng parang show or meet up
with our followers.
Tipong parang magkakaroon tayo ng event na matatanong niya kami one at a time kung anong opinion.
And there are comments and questions din na tayo personally, we don't answer kasi we haven't experienced it.
Yes,
Yun, so
minsan pag hindi namin talaga na-experience, ayaw namin, or iniiwasan namin magbigay ng opinion. Kasi parang, who are we to say something about something na hindi namin naranasan?
Correct. So usually talaga yan, yung mga sinishare natin, it's based
soon, sana magkaroon tayo ng ganon.
Yeah.
Diba? And we can probably arrange it just in case interesado kayo. So let us know. Sana magkaroon kayo ng feedback about that.
Thank you, guys.